Your kids will notice this year's Thanksgiving celebration is going to be a bit different, but different can be good. Don't avoid the elephant in the room. Talk to your kids about how the COVID-19 pandemic makes it more difficult to celebrate. For many, the biggest challenge will be staying home. You and your kids can bake a cake or a pie or create matching centerpieces that you can deliver to the people who traditionally join you. Set up a virtual Thanksgiving celebration. Have the kids create ideas for all 5 senses. A smell could be a scented candle or a dish. A sound could be a shared playlist. Stay connected. Leave a live video call up so you can all eat together. Let your kids send text updates on how their day is going. Enjoy your family time. Play a board game that gets everyone involved. Go outside and play a game or get comfortable inside to watch a football game or a movie. Remember, holidays aren't always perfect even without a pandemic. Realizing this can give you perspective and possibly help you create new holiday traditions. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Bill Prasad, your mental health and wellness expert.